Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I know like maybe you click this video because you want to know more about Restream. Like you want to know how somebody can use Restream to build their 4,000 watch hour. Don't worry, you're in the right place because in this video I'll be explaining everything like in details, okay? And a way you can understand all you need to know about Restream. Now, first of all, what is this Restream? Restream is a site that you can use to go live. Now, when you're going live on Restream, you have to connect your YouTube channel to the Restream. You have to give access. You have to give access to the Restream to be able to run these live streams on your YouTube channel. Now, there are lots and lots of talks flying on YouTube about the safety of your channel in terms of Restream and all of that. Let me just break it down to you. Using Restream is not a bad thing because Restream has a license from YouTube. If not, you can't access your YouTube channel through Restream. So if YouTube has not given Restream the license to allow like a third party to YouTube or to access your channel, there is no way you can even use or think of using Restream to connect to your YouTube channel to run the live stream. I don't know if that makes sense. So yes, it is safe for you to use Restream to go live. Now, it's not necessarily you have to use videos from Instagram to go live. No, you can pre-record your own content and use it on this Restream to go live. I have a detailed video on that, but I am going to leave the link here. Okay, so you can go check that video out if you want to see like a step-by-step detailed on how you can actually link your YouTube channel to Restream and how you can do this Restream thing to build your 4,000 watch hour. But I'm just here to give an overview about Restream. So yes, Restream is safe to use to go live. Now you can decide to use your own content still on Restream. That's a matter of choice if you want. If you don't want to use your own content, you can get catchy videos. Now you have to be very careful of the kind of video you use in order to avoid a copyright claim, in order to avoid a copyright strike on your channel. So you have to use videos that you know that is not going to give you an issue. There are safe ways you can use these videos from Instagram and it's not going to hurt your channel because it is even in the YouTube policy. Like there are safe ways you can use other people's content and it won't affect your own channel. So yes, this is how people use those contents. Catchy, engaging, attention grabbing content to go on live. Like you don't need to even show their face, they don't need to be talking, and people are going to see them that they are live. Now they let these live streams run or these Restream run for hours and hours and hours. The more hours you stay, the more the engagement on that Restream, the more people see it, and the more YouTube also pushes the Restream to a broader audience. When more people are gathered on this Restream, like they want to see what you have, okay, they want to watch that catchy video, it increases one's watch hour. So there are two ways you can monetize your YouTube channel. One is by using shorts. Now the short is you can either use the 3 million views from shorts to monetize or the 10 million views. The 3 million views for shorts is when you get to that 3 million short views, it's called the half monetization. That's like the popular word YouTubers call it. That's the super chats, the super thanks, and the super stickers. Now that's part of YouTube, or that part of monetization is open because you've gotten to 3 million short views. Now then the 10 million short views is the ads, where Google has to place those ads on your videos. Okay, so you can choose to monetize your content or monetize your YouTube channel rather with the short views, or you use your normal videos. This is the video you upload to YouTube, or a live stream. Now, the live stream aspect is where this Restream comes to play because it's actually a Restream or a live stream that you can use to go live, okay, and gather these watch hours. People are using this to monetize their channel because if you get an engaging content, if you get an engaging video and you run this Restream with it, more people get to watch it, and this increases your watch hours. Like it gives you lots and lots of watch hours. If you are being honest, I think I'll be attaching screenshots on the screen. So this is what I used to monetize my YouTube channel. This is what I used to gather my 4,000 or complete my 4,000 watch hours rather. Okay, so it is very safe to use. I am monetized on YouTube, so it is very possible for you to use this Restream to gather 4,000 watch hours like really fast. Okay, so it's a streaming platform that allows multiple streaming, but that's another part of it. Is not what we're talking about today. We're talking about how you can use it to gather your 4,000 watch hours. So yes, it is good. You can use Restream Restream to build 4,000 watch hour. You can use Restream to even get subscribers. Subscribers come when people are interested in content like that, they subscribe to the channel because they want more. Now, I also made a video where I talked about like the pros and cons of using this Restream. It has the good side, it has the bad side. I have a video on that, but I think I'll be making an updated video about that. So you also get subscribers in the process of gathering these 4,000 watch hours. Like, it's pretty easy if you ask me. There are some things you need to follow for you to be able to get good results, for you to be able to get positive results out of Restream. So I'm also going to talk about after you've gained your 4,000 watch hour, if you use Restream, those videos you use on Restream, you can choose to private them. Now, this way, YouTube will stop pushing those videos, because I know some persons have these questions in mind that, oh, if I get monetized, those videos will still be on my channel, even if that's not what my channel stands for. No, after you're monetized, after you've been accepted into the YouTube partnership program, you've passed that stage. So even if you take out those videos, it still doesn't affect your monetization, because you got to 4,000 watch hours, YouTube reviewed your channel, and you got accepted into the YouTube partnership program. So that means you've crossed a milestone on YouTube. I personally, I still have those videos on my channel, but they are on private. So YouTube stopped pushing them and viewers stopped seeing them on my channel. It's more like a strategy. I use Restream as a strategy to complete my 4,000 watch hours so I can be accepted into the YouTube partnership program. And did this strategy work? Yes, it actually worked. Has it also worked for other people? Yes, it has worked for like lots and lots of people, those that I also helped to make these videos for them, and they use it to gather these 4,000 watch hours, and now they are monetized. Now you are going to still put in effort, the same effort you would put in your channel if you use normal videos, or if you use shorts. It's still the same effort you're still going to put on your channel when you use Restream. So it doesn't really matter. Effort is needed on YouTube to actually grow. Consistency is also needed on YouTube to earn. Okay, you have to be consistent on YouTube. So if you're new on YouTube and you want to use Restream to monetize, and if you're wondering what this Restream thing is about, because there are some people who don't even know what it's about and how it works, I am so glad I answered this person's question, because she asked me, what is Restream all about and how does it work? So I hope this is detailed enough to answer that question. But if you still have other questions about Restream, please drop it in the comment section, and I will see you definitely on the videos on my screen relating to Restream. Please also watch this, because you need to know this about Restream before you venture into it. Thank you so much, and bye.